Alright, good morning guys. So I just arrived to one of my stores. I'm going to be vlogging my whole week as a part-time merchandiser. I actually have a pretty full week this week. I'll be working pretty much every day this week. Two of my shifts are actually, one of my shifts is 7 hours and the other is like 5 hours. So a little bit longer than my normal 1 to 2 hour shifts. I just pulled up to, like I said, I just pulled up to one of my stores. This visit is it's only about 2 hours. I will be servicing one of my brands here that I service bi-weekly. So that's what I am doing now. I came a little early because my husband has to go to work at 10. So I have to squeeze this in before he has to work. If you are new here, I'll just kind of briefly go over like my situation. So I am a part-time visual merchandiser, merchandise coordinator. It's all about the same, but that's what I do. So I work around my husband's schedule because he is the full-time provider or worker, however you want to say that, but he's primarily the breadwinner. So I work part-time, so I work around his schedule. Our daughter is 3 and she is not in daycare, so I just work around his schedule so someone can be at home with her. She will be going to pre-K next year, well, this upcoming school year, so you know, things will change a little bit as far as my working situation. But yeah, just want to give you a brief synopsis of just my situation so you guys will understand. So here I am sorting through the bags. I'm getting all of the sizes and styles together so I can be able to merchandise them back onto the wall. I'm removing all competitor products. You'll see me moving that towards the front or where they are supposed to belong. At least I guess they do. I'm just moving them out of my way. But I'm going to be doing that so I can get all my bags organized from smallest to largest, styles together, color range from light to dark, all of that good stuff. So that's what I'm doing here. Good morning guys. So today is Wednesday. I'm here at one of my store visits. Today is a longer day for me today. It's about a 7-hour project. So I'm about to go and get started inside. But before I do, just want to give you guys a little summary of what I'm about to do. So this is one of my visits that I did maybe a week ago, and I have some notes and some revisions, well not revisions, but I have some call outs that I need to address from my last visit that I received on my report. So I'm going to address those first and make sure that I do those so I can just follow up in my final report and let them know that, hey, excuse me, and let them know that, hey, I fixed the issues that were called out in my last project and yada, yada, yada. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And then after that, I'm just going to go through my regular routine on what I do at this store for this client. So yeah, so they have a major, well not a major, but they have like a special setup right now. So it's very, very important that I execute that like flawlessly. So I'm making sure everything is in place like it's supposed to be, making sure that they have the mannequins dressed properly, the product that's supposed to be out is out in the front, and all of that stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and then addressing any other additional priorities I can get to if my time has not run out yet. So I'm going to go and do that. Just wanted to follow up with you guys on that. I did work yesterday, but it was only like it was a short project, and I had to go in Walmart because one of our clients is in Walmart, and so it's just hard to record anything in that store. If you've ever been in a Walmart, then you already know. So it's like no, it's very difficult to record anything in that store. So yeah, but let's get to it. For this particular store, I remember to bring my fan because I don't know what it is about the store, but they're stingy with the air conditioner, and I ain't got time for that because I'm climbing up and down ladders and stuff. So I need to have my little fan. So I will be having this today. And of course I have my fanny pack on. Y'all know how I do. I love to have my fanny pack when I'm working. So I have all my snacks and everything on me right here. But yeah, so let's get inside so I can get my day started. Hey guys, so here I am working in the women's department. I'm actually just dressing the mannequin, just changing it out. I wasn't able to get a lot of footage of me working for the men's area because a lot of stuff I had to do was at the front of the store, and it's just hard to kind of capture clips of me working at the very front of the store. And it's just everything went by so fast, and it just was a lot of traffic, and yeah, just didn't have time to record the men's like I normally do. But I did want to get a little bit of footage of me working in the women's area. So I wanted to share before and after pictures of the display I worked on in the front of the store since I wasn't able to record it, so you guys can see the impact that I am making when I am doing my projects and things like that. So let me know if you guys want me to include more before and after pictures when I do these come work with me videos. I will definitely include that. Okay guys, so it's the next day and I'm working in the same location but just for a different client today. And I haven't worked this area in a while, so I'm going through just making sure everything is set to directive as close as possible, just depending on the product availability and the fixture availability. So that's what I am doing over in this area. This is actually my last day of the week, so I will be ending this vlog here. Sorry I don't have like a formal clip of me ending this video, but this is just the end of my work week, a busier work week for me as a part-time merchandiser. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.